Once again, welcome back to the Shalership. Let's discuss construction of Mercater and Gnomonic chart. This is very important and it is coming TCN part C for 25 marks, and it's very simple. So if you solve this question, you can easily get 25 marks. So today I will discuss how to construct of Mercater and Gnomonic charts. So before proceeding to the past numericals, we just go to some formula which is required to solve this type of numericals. So first formula is natural scale of that chart is equal to chart distance divided by earth distance. If it is not given in the question, natural scale is not given in the question, then we have to use this value. Okay, 1 raised to the second question is earth distance of 1 minute longitude in mm is equal to 1852 into 1000 into cos latitude. So this is second formula you must remember. Then third formula is chart distance of 1 minute longitude is equal to earth distance. This earth distance, whatever value you get from the earth distance of 1 minute longitude in mm into natural scales. So this is our third formula. The fourth formula is chart distance of 1 degree longitude in mm is equal to chart distance of 1 minute longitude in mm into 60. Okay, this is fourth formula. Fifth formula, distance between difference of 1 degree latitude on chart in mm is equal to difference in meridional passage for 1 degree difference into chart distance of 1 minute longitude mm. Okay, so you must do by heart this 5 formula, then you have to make the table for the calculations. So this is latitude, MP of latitude, this is difference of meridional passage, chart distance of 1 minute longitude in mm, and distance between difference of 1 degree latitudes. So if you remember these 6 things, you can easily solve the construction of Mercator and Gnomonic charts. Okay, so our first question is a Mercator chart is to be made to a scale of, so we have in the question we have natural scales in latitude 40 degree north. Okay, calculate the distance on that chart between each meridian and each parallel of latitude for the area. So we have to make area of 39 north to 41 north and 45 degree east to 47 degree east. Okay, this is very important question. It's come many times in the examinations. So let's solve this question. How to solve this type of question, and you will get 25 marks. Very easy. Okay, so what is given in the question? Natural scale. Okay, so natural scale is equal to chart distance divided by earth distance. Okay, see how I approach this question. Okay, so chart distance and natural scale we have already in the formula. So 1. Okay, now earth distance, the next formula, earth distance of 1 minute longitude in mm is equal to 1852 into 1000 formula into cos latitude. So what is cos latitude? Cos latitude is in which latitude it is natural scale is given. So cos latitude is 40 degree north. Okay, so put everything in the formula. So 1852 into 1000 into cos 40 degree. Okay, so we get 1.182 mm. Okay, then we'll move to proceed forward. Chart distance of 1 degree longitude is equal to 1.182 into 60. So we get 70.92 mm. Okay, now we have to prepare the table. Latitude, MP of latitude, difference of meridional passage, and distance of 1 minute chart distance into distance between difference of 1 degree latitude. Okay, so once you make table, just put the value. So we have to make the between latitude 39 degree to 41. Okay, so 39, 40, 41 latitude. So we in the notice table or there is one paper for the where you get the MP of sheet. Okay, so you just take out the value from there and just write the value 2530.4, 2607.9, 2686.5. so difference between them is 77.5 and difference between them is 78.6. okay, now whatever we calculate in the chart distance of 1 minute longitude mm 1.182 1.182 which is calculated in our, and the distance between difference of 1 degree latitude is 91.605 92.905. okay, this much is clear. Now we are moving to plotting. So for plotting, now you cannot plot directly, this is on the chart, so we have to reduce the scales. So let's consider scale, take scale 1 cm is equal to take 20 mm. okay, this is very important. If you forget this, you will lose your marks. okay, so scale is very important. Whatever scale you can choose 40, you can choose 80. okay, now distance between 1 degree longitude for plotting. okay, we are using for plotting, so we are taking 20. okay, into what is we get answer 70.92. so 3.55 cm. From where we get this 70.92? from here, chart distance of 1 degree longitude. okay, now distance between, so first we take out the longitude, then we take out the from latitude. okay, 1 degree latitude. Now every difference of latitude, at difference we have the difference value. okay, for plotting, so 1 divided by 20 into 91.605 from the tables, and we get 4.58 cm. okay, this we get in cm because we in the scale 1 cm is equal to 20 mm. okay, so distance between 1 degree latitude is now we take 40 to 41. Here is 39 to 40, now 40 to 41. okay, for plotting. So put the value in the formula, 1 divided by 22 into 92.905, and we get the value is 4.65 cm. okay, this much understand. Now we have to how to construct this on the charts. So our latitude start from 39. okay, so we'll make from 39, then 40, then 41 north, and from longitude, so we start from the east, so 45 east, 46 east, and 47 east. But when you are making this diagram, okay, so I just give the name, this 41 north, this 40 north, this is 39 north, okay, 45 east, 46 east, 47 east. Okay, now when we are drawing this, so we have to calculate, okay, whatever we get the value with cm. Now 41 to 40, 40 to 41, how much? 40 to 41, 4.65. This is 4.65 difference, and this is 4.58, and this longitude is how much distance? 3.55. okay, so either you can write 3.55 cm, but I tell you you have to write in mm. So that is difference between this latitude is 92.905 mm, 91.605 mm, and the longitude is 7.92 mm, 70.92 mm. So this is diagram. Okay, hope you understand this numericals. It's very simple and you can easily get 25 marks. We'll move to the next question. It's also very important papers. So let's see how we'll approach this question. So in the question we don't have the natural scales, so we use our natural scale. If we don't have 1:1, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so now earth distance of 1 minute longitude in mm is equal to 1852 into 1000 into cos latitude. Okay, so we already discussed this formula. Now chart distance of 1 minute longitude in mm is equal to earth distance of 1 minute longitude in mm into natural scale. Okay, so put the value in the formula. 1852 into 1000 into cos, so in the middle of 0 degree, okay, equator, into natural scale, so we get the value 1.852 mm. This much is clear. Okay, so chart distance of 1 degree longitude is equal to 1.852 into 60, so we get the value is 111.12 mm, and distance between difference of 1 degree latitude on chart is equal to difference of meridional passage for 1 degree latitude into chart distance of 1 minute longitude. Okay, now put in the tabular forms. So this is latitude, MP of latitude, meridional passage, difference of meridional passage, chart distance of 1 minute longitude, and distance between difference of 1 degree latitude. So 0 2 0 1 0 0. So when calculate 119.2, 59.6 and 0, you know where you get this value? In Norris table. Okay, so difference between them is 59.6 and difference between them is 59.6. okay, so 1.852, whichever calculated in earlier in the questions. So we get multiply this, so we get 110.379 mm and 110.379 mm. Now since we cannot plot directly on the chart on the papers, so we have to reduce the scales. Okay, so for plotting, and we calculate this is for, because equator is the same distance from 100 is equator, this is same distance, either you go will north or either you will go south. Okay, this is also the same distance. So this we calculate for both, same for north and south latitude. Okay, so no need to calculate individual. This understood? Okay. So for plotting, we reduce the scale. So let's consider 1 cm is equal to 40 mm. Okay, this is our scale for plotting, very important for exam. Now we have to calculate distance between 1 degree longitude for plotting. So we have to calculate in cm. Okay, 1 into 40 divided by 111.12 is equal to 2.778 cm. Now this is for longitude. Now we calculate for latitude. Distance between 1 degree latitude for plotting. So 1 is equal to 40 into 110.379. So we get the value 2.759 centimeters. Now we have to plot this on the so this is our equator. This is our equator. So we have to 2 degree north to 2 degree south. 1 north, 2 south, 1 south, 2 south. Okay, now 2 degree west, 1 degree west. This is prime meridian, 0 longitude. 1 degree east, 2 degree east, 3 degree east. Okay, so now we have to keep the naming system. So this is our 00, 01 north, 02 north, 01 south, 02 south, 2 degree west, 1 degree west, 00, 01 degree east, 02 degree east, 03 degree east. But how to plot? Whatever we calculate now in cm, we have to make the difference between them. Okay, so but when we write here, we write in the value in mm. Okay, so 111.12 mm. This will be same because longitude is in the same distance. But make this distance interval what? 2.778. 2.7, because we convert in this scale now, so 2.778 the distance, and for latitude is 2.759. So this is 00. So 110.379 mm, 110.379 mm, 110.379 mm, 110.379 mm. Okay, so 2.759 is 2.759 cm, okay, which is equivalent to 110.379 mm. So this is solution of question number 2. So our next question is, on Mercator 1 degree longitude is represented by 6 cm. What is the natural scale of latitude in latitude 55 degree north? Okay, this is also repeated many times in past examination. So let's see how we'll solve this question. Put the value in the formula. Chart distance of 1 degree longitude is equal to what is given in 6 cm. Okay, so earth distance of 1 degree longitude in cm is equal to 1852 into 100 into 60 into cos latitude. What is natural scale formula? Chart distance divided by earth distance. So put the value everything in the formula. 6 into 1852 into 100 into 60 into cos 55. One divided by 1062263.53. So natural scale in latitude 55 degree north, 1 raised to 1062263.53. This is also 2-3 lines question and it's come for 25 marks. So next question is, okay, our next question is, what will be the distance between 2 points in Mercator chart in latitude 46 degree 30 minutes south if the d long between them is 0 1 degree 45? The natural scale is 1 raised to 50th, like. Okay, so this is also very important question and it is repeated in many times. So let's how we'll solve this question. Put the value everything in the formula, you will get the answer. Natural scale is equal to chart distance. Okay, our next question is, what will be the distance between 2 points in Mercator chart in latitude 46 degree 30 minutes south if the d long between them is 0 1 degree 45? The natural scale is 1 raised to 50 thousands. Okay, so how we'll solve this question? Natural scale is equal to chart distance divided by earth distance. Okay, you know this formula, we already discussed this formula in the starting of this sessions. So we just write the values. Okay, now earth distance of 1 minute longitude in mm is equal to 1852 into 1000 into cos latitude. This formula we already know. Okay, and the chart distance, what is the chart distance? Chart distance of 1 minute longitude in mm is equal to earth distance, this value, earth distance of 1 minute longitude into natural scale. Okay, so put the value in the formula. 1852 into 1000 into cos 46 degree 30 minutes into 1 raised to natural scales. Okay, so we get the value 2.550 mm. Okay, now chart distance is what? Chart distance of 1 degree 45 minutes. is equal to 2.550 mm into 105. How I get 105? 105 is how I get 0145 into 60. Okay, so from here I get 105 this. Okay, so chart distance of 1 degree 45 minutes longitude is equal to 267.8 mm. So this is our answer. So hope you understand this 4 question. I have some more questions which is repeated in the previous past papers. We'll also discuss in the session 2. Okay, so hope you understand this 4 question. If you have still any doubt, write me in comment box, so we can solve in the more deep in the next video. Thanks for watching and best of luck for exams.